Hello, my friends on the internet. This is day 361 of trying to cure brain rot and end doom scrolling. Today, I have been fixing bugs and fixing some other things that have went wrong with the things I've made, and that's been most of the progress so far. But I want to share with you exactly the two ways which I've been now working on ending doom scrolling and curing brain rot, and just trying to help people to allow themselves to spend their time better off of the social media addiction that most of us seem to be glued to. First things first, if you're new here, there's two ways I'm doing this. The first way, which I've worked on the longest for the last year now, is called the Curiosity Quench. It's a mobile app for anyone and everyone who wants to try new hobbies and new things as a means of replacing their screen time with more things that give them lifetime that are enjoyable to them. The way that works is essentially people come to the app, explore a list of 1,000 different topics, and save some topics to their list, their save list, and then swipe right to actually start doing them and getting a plan to do it. The plans each have curated content, so every step is going to give you a video to watch to help you understand how it works and also take action on that thing, and you can check it off as you go. And that's Curiosity Quench. So the whole point of it is to do things, complete the plans, learn, and follow your curiosity, and as a result, celebrate your wins because you did the thing instead of scrolling on your phone. That's something that is still obviously needs more work. It works, but it could always be better. Everything could always be better. So I haven't worked on that for about 2 weeks, 3 weeks. I have been just marketing it, so it is still working on it, but I haven't actually made the core app any different. And the other thing that I'm working on is called Postbridge. So as you can see here, it is an application to let you post content to social media without actually going on social media. The idea behind this is, if I show you here, that if you have a way to not go on social media, it's probably better than if you do. And especially if you're someone like me who needs to post content to social media to reach an audience that wants to get off their phones, but not trying to get in the mud too much myself, this is a great way to do that. And I built it for myself for that exact purpose because I had to manually post on all these platforms, all my videos to get people to use my other app. And it took a lot of mental strain basically going through that brain rot every day. And it also took a lot of time because manually posting takes time. So this is the other thing I've been working on. Today I had to add this refresh Instagram accounts button basically because some accounts weren't working, Instagram posts, because their permissions were not set correctly. And that fixes that. I've also added carousel posts and some other cool stuff. And that's what I've been working on for the last week. This app specifically. This is very new, but I do think also that it's important for people who aren't just looking to do hobbies, but people who are looking to make it easier to run a business or to post their content without always being on the platforms themselves. And this is my solution to that. So that's day 361, really, of me trying to end doom scrolling. And that's where we're at. We have a app to help people find better things to do and a software to help people stay off of the apps and still grow their businesses with content. Um, Kind of counterintuitive on the second one, but I did make it for myself to avoid brain rot, and I think it can help other people do the same, as well as also just being a social media scheduling tool in general. That's it for today. Hope you guys have a great day. There's my log. I love you. Take care. Bye bye.